If you are an introvert who wants to make money online, but the thought of being on camera or talking to people makes you want to hide under a blanket, this video is for you. I am about to show you 7 passive income ideas that don't require you to show your face, talk on video, or deal with people at all. These are real ways to build income quietly on your own term. Let's get into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity, and I talk about real ways to make money online and build passive income using what you already have, so you can create more freedom in your life. Let's get into it. All right, let me show you these 7 ideas. The first passive income idea is selling digital products. This is perfect for introverts because you create it once and sell it over and over again. It requires no talking, no meeting, and no customer service calls. Here's what you can create: printable planner and journals, budget templates, social media caption templates, Notion templates, checklists and guides, and ebooks. Where to sell? You can sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, Stand Store, which I will have a link in my bio for Stand Store, Creative Market, and your own website. If you want your own website, I will have a link below for Shopify. You can get 3 months for only $1. And I will leave that link in my description. And the best part, it sells while you sleep. Now, how are you going to create the digital products? You are first going to use Canva to design your templates or planners. Export it as a PDF and upload it to Etsy or Stand Store. Stand Store is my favorite. I love Stand Store. It makes selling digital products so much easier. If you want to check out Stand Store, the link is in my bio. You won't be disappointed. You will write a simple description. Let the platform handle payment and delivery. This requires no shipping, no inventory, and no talking to customers. Idea number 2 is selling stock photos. If you enjoy photography, even just with your phone, you can upload your photos to stock sites and earn money every time when someone downloads them. You can upload these images on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock. How much you can make? You can earn 25 cents to $120 per download, depending on the license. The more photos you upload, the more you will earn. And you never have to talk to anyone. You literally just upload and collect payments. If this video helped you so far, even a little, make sure you like and subscribe. I post videos like this every week, and watching it all the way through, it really helps YouTube to show it to more people who need it. Now, idea number 3 is affiliate marketing, but we're gonna do a little twist. It's gonna be the introvert friendly way. You don't have to be on camera and talk. You can do this through blog posts, Pinterest pins, Faceless YouTube videos, and TikTok slideshows. So here's how this works. You will recommend products you genuinely like and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Where you can find affiliate programs. You can find affiliate programs on Amazon Associate, Share a Sale, Impact, and by searching individual plans like Canva, Notion, you can search it to see if they offer a affiliate program. Now, commissions range from anywhere between 5% to 50% depending on the product. So if you promote a $100 software tool with a 30% commission, you will earn $30 per sale. For example, you can write a blog post and title it 10 Best Productivity Tools for 2026. You would then include affiliate links to those tools like ClickUp and Notion and Canva. When people click and buy, you will earn money, all without showing your face or talking to anyone. Idea number 4 is print on demand. This is where you will upload designs to platforms like Printify or Redbubble, and they will handle printing, shipping, and customer service, which means you never have to touch a product and you never have to talk to a customer. What you can sell is t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and stickers. You can sell this on platforms like Redbubble or Printify, which integrates with Etsy or Shopify, Zazzle, and TeePublic. But Printify is my favorite. The other platforms I don't have that much experience with. But if you do like them, you could definitely check out their platform. You will set your own profit margin. Most sellers earn from $2 to $10 per item. So how you would get started is you would create a simple design in Canva, like quotes, patterns, or illustration. Then you will upload it to Printify or any of the sites I listed earlier. And make sure to add tags and descriptions. And then let the platform do the rest. Idea number 5 is creating online courses. And no, this do not require you have to be on camera. You can create courses using screen recordings, slide presentations with voiceovers, and text-based lessons. What you can teach is something you already know, like budgeting, productivity, design, and writing. You can even teach a skill you learned, like how to use Notion, how to organize your life. Where you can sell your courses is a lot of different platforms, but here is some: is Udemy, Teachable, Gumroad, and StanStore. Courses can sell for $10 to $200 each. The best part is once it's created, it earns money on autopilot. Idea number 6 is blogging. You write articles on topics that you care about. You earn money through Google AdSense, affiliate links, and sponsorship posts. How you would start is you will start by setting up a Shopify blog. Then you will write about topics people search for. And you would just use Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog. Bloggers with steady traffic earns anywhere between $500 to $5,000 per month. This works perfect for introverts because you write alone, no talking, no meetings, just you and your keyboard. Idea number 7 is investing in REITs or dividend stocks. This is the most passive income idea on this list. What is REITs? REITs basically just stand for Real Estate Investment Trust. It lets you invest in real estate without being a landlord. Platforms like Fundrise let you start with as little as $10. Dividend stocks is stocks that pays you a percentage of their profits regularly. You will invest once and collect payments quarterly or monthly. How much you can make all depends on how much you invest. You would just reinvest your earnings and let it grow over time. This is another one that do not require no talking, no meetings, and basically like no work at all. You would just invest and watch your money grow. All right, so those are 7 passive income ideas for shy introverts. Pick one that feels right for you and start small. You don't have to do everything. Just start with one and build from there. But if you want to see how to use ChatGPT to create side hustles that can make you $500 per day, you will need to watch this video next. That video shows you exactly how to use ChatGPT to freelance, create digital products, and make money online. Click that video next and I will meet you there.